Hi everyone. It's really hard to believe it has been already 5 months since I fitted the Palmer adjustable windscreen bracket to my Honda NC750X. The original video became one of the most watched technical videos on my channel, and I thought it's about time I come back to it and provide you with an honest owner's update. What has worked in real life? Any vibrations? Any issues? Is it solid? What would I change? And most importantly, would I fit it again? So let's take the bike on the road, take a look at the setup, and at the end, I will provide you or will share my verdict. So come along with me. Right, rather than just talking about the setup in the garage, I thought it's a much better idea to show it while riding the bike. Since the original video 5 months ago, I have added the Puig Touring Screen and also mounted the Carpuride on the accessory bar. So the bracket is doing more than just holding the screen. Looking at the cockpit, I think everything feels clean and practical. From the side views, you can see the screen angle and how the bracket sits on the bike. I'm using the screen in the highest position, set at an angle that works well for me at Guernsey speeds. After a few months, I have to say, everything stayed solid. No worrying vibrations and no need to keep retightening anything. So let's head back to the garage and answer the main question: would I fit it again? So now we are back in my garage. The question is, would I fit the adjustable windscreen bracket from Palmer again? That's a very simple answer, absolutely yes. But look, if you're just after slightly better wind protection, the touring screen might be the solution for you. But if you're after a more flexible, adjustable kit with a clean place to mount accessories, the Palmer windscreen bracket will provide you with all of that. Now I upgraded from the standard to a Puig Touring Screen, mounted my Carpuride. The whole setup feels right to me. It feels complete. I will leave a couple of links in the description of this video. And please, if you have any questions or if you want to share your setup on a Honda NC750X or on any other motorbike, please leave them in the comments. I hope you enjoyed to watch the video. Stay safe, and I hope to see you soon.